Hey, future scientists! Come with me and my family as we take a glass-bottom boat tour through the Caribbean. We saw a few shipwrecks and some pretty cool fish. This is what the inside of the boat looked like. There weren't many fish that day, so the first mate, that's the person directly underneath the captain, dove into the water with fish food. If you'd like to see more of my Future Scientist excursions, please hit that subscribe button. How many different types of fish can you see here? Don't go beyond the reef, little fish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button.